Hi everyone, we're in Mold this afternoon. Mold is a town and community in Flintshire, Wales on the River Allen, and it's the county town and administrative seat of Flintshire County Council. And Mold is a market town. The market is on a Wednesday and on a Saturday, Saturday afternoon. We're going to have a look around. There's fresh fruit and veg, there's a fishman, somebody's selling bags, someone's selling little knickknacks. We're going to have a look around, see what the market's like. I haven't been for a while. We've parked at Love Street car park. Let's turn you around. So here you go, Love Street car park. It's £1.20 all day from 8 AM till 3 PM, excluding bank holidays. So 8 AM till 3 PM Monday to Saturday. So Sunday there's no restrictions on a Sunday, and after 3 o'clock it's free, and it's only a few minutes away from the town. So we're going to be walking up here. We're going to go and have a look. So this is the car park, quite a lot of spaces. To enter the car park, I turned the roundabout for Tesco's, and then I went round the roundabout up into the car park second exit. So yeah, so this is the county of Flintshire, Mold, and it was known as Clwyd from 1974 to 1996. So 1974 to 1996, Flintshire was called Clwyd. And according to the 2011 UK census, it had a population of 2.58. A 2019 estimate puts it at 2.123. So here we go, we're going to go walk under the bridge, then we're going to go up into town and see what market's like. So this road that we're on here now used to be a railway line. It used to be the Mold to Denby line, and the train station is now where Tesco supermarket stands. So I'll just give you a pan around, there you go, down there. So that used to go all the way to Denby. And if you go down the Denby road, there's a little stile that you go over, go through some fields. There is remains of some of the old train track, and there is some trains known as the Ghost Railway, which we did a video on. You can check out our video on our channel. The trains are privately owned, but they're just sitting there rotting away. But there is a public footpath through the fields, and the style to climb over, so if you want to go and have a look at them, but check out our video on that one. So the Welsh origin language place name of Mold was documented in 1280, 1281. I'm not very good at reading Welsh, but the mound of the tomb Sepulchre. So the name of Mold originates from the Norman French, and the name was originally applied to the site of Mold Castle in connection with its builder Robert de Montal, an Anglo-Norman lord. It's recorded as Mohold in a document of 1254. So let's go and have a look what we can see in the market. So here we've got these steps to go up. There is a path you can walk up if you've got push chairs or wheelchairs. have a look on the information board. There's a map here as well, and what's on. Let's have a look at the map. So this is where we are. And there's your roundabout there for Tesco's. So Tesco's is basically over here. And we're going to go to the main high street. So the market, there is also an indoor market as well. And if you're a big fan of your charity shops, there are plenty here. Dotted around the town, plenty of charity shops. A couple of pictures here. Got the Lloyds Bank. This used to be, many years ago, a club, a nightclub. Anybody remember the nightclub and been to the nightclub? That was here in Mould. There's St Mary's Church. There's a nice chip shop a couple of doors away from there, which we've been to. And here we've got a picture of the town hall. So this is what's on in Mould. What have we got? November Fest. I think we've had these ones. Oh, these are old ones, aren't they? November Fest, Remembrance Sunday, Christmas lights switch on, and Christmas market. So there's Christmas markets in Mould. I think we need to change the board there because these are old informations, aren't they? There you go. There's a pictures there of the market, as you can see. So it says, welcome to the historic town of Mould Market, town of Mould, gateway to the Clwydian Range and birthplace of the renowned Welsh novelist Daniel Owen. Mould is proud to be the first sit-as-slow town in Wales, part of the international sit-as-slow movement, improving the quality of life for community. I hope I said that right. So they do have a square here named after Daniel Owen Square, where there's shops and cafes. We'll have a look when we go up there. There's some more pictures down here for you. Right, off we go then, let's go and have a look. There is also a Wetherspoons, so if you're a big fan of Wetherspoons, there's a Wetherspoons here. And within the Wetherspoons is where they found the Golden Cape. Talk a bit more about that afterwards. The Golden Cape. I used to come to Mould when I was little with my granny and granddad on the bus, go on the market. Quite steep, them steps. Here's the steps. Like I said, there is a path, so you keep it longer, but if it's easier for you to walk, still on a slope though. Is that alright, them steps? So here we've got the bridge, which would have been in the old railway bridge, with the railway line underneath. The North Wales, the Denby line, Mould Denby line. There isn't much of it left. This bit here has been turned into a car park. And on the other side, the old train station is now Tesco's, and there's also a car garage selling cars. Second-hand cars. I think the building there was also part of the station. Very warm this afternoon. 11 degrees was recorded on my car. Sometimes it looks sunny, but it isn't very warm, but I'm geared up for the cold. High tops, tights, big woolly coat. Hey ho. So this is the way to the market up here. Got a building here. This is Bupa Dental Care. This was once the Vic Victoria pub. Does anybody remember the Victorian pub if you're from Mould or been to Mould? I think it was one of them crazy kind of pubs. Don't think I've been in there myself, but I've heard stories about it. Here you go, this is your bus station. It's quite a lot of change has been made over the years. They used to have a little elephant over there. I used to climb on it when I was little. Looks like they've got like a little cafe there now. Just go and have a look. They used to have toilets, public toilets. I remember them when it was a bus station. I mean, you used to get on the buses by here. You can get to Mould from Chester. I think number 3 or the number 4 brings you to Mould. There you go, look. Ooh. Them cakes, there's a little cafe. I don't know whether you can see them cakes. Looks like a red velvet cake and a carrot cake. Something else, drinks. We've got lemon drizzle, £2.50. School cake, £3. Belgian chocolate shortbread, £2. Blueberry muffin, £3. And they've got hot chocolate, £3.50, or you can have coffees, £3.50. Tea, loose tea, £3. Fruit tea, £2.45. Cold drinks, £32. And you've got baby chinos, £1. I'll zoom in, see if you can see. I don't know if you can see because it's sunlight's on it. You get yourself a drink when you're waiting for the bus. Yeah, there isn't really much where I live as a bus service. Yeah. There's a bus, I think, leaves Shotton, and I think leaves top by Morrison's, but yeah, not easy. I think they're every 2 hours and only so many times a day, but you can get the bus from Chester to here. I'm not sure how often they come, but you can check out on the Viva website. This is the bus station. You've got toilets and the cafe. There you go, you've got your clock here. When it is displaying the right time, 2:30. And it's got 2000 underneath, so that must be when that clock was put in. I'm sure there was a clock here previously. It's a long time since I've been to the bus station. Now they've got some flowers around the bottom as well. Across the road there you've got the Fat Boar. They do pre-theatre meals, so about 10 minutes away from here walk there's a Theatre Clwyd. At the moment I'm not sure if it's still open or not, because they are doing works to it to do it up, put it more on the map. But they do like a pre-theatre meal which is cheap. I'm not sure, it was like 2 courses for so much. We also have a normal menu as well. I've been in there, had some food. It's quite alright in there. That's the Fat Boar. But usually you come to Mould, we usually go to Wetherspoons, unless it's a special occasion. Let's walk up here.
Is it closed out?
There you go, there's a bus there. Got the old monuments here in the middle with seats. That's been there a while, I think, as well. Yeah, somewhere by here. It might have been there, I don't know. I'm sure there was an elephant type thing. I used to climb on it. You're talking to the 1980s now, though. Obviously, I've been since then, but not really around the bus station. Now we're going to go and check out the market now. So we go this way to the market. Some more planters there with flowers in.
There's little stuff.
We've got the big fish here. A chippy, recommended chippy. A big fish. Do lovely fish and chips. Open every day apart from a Sunday. Here we've got the telephone exchange, which I think is no longer in use. That's quite a derelict there. Not sure, maybe there's any vans in there. Oh, there's some vans in there. Maybe it's still in use. Oh, let's have a look at some house prices here. What have we got? There we go, there's a Green Park. That's in Pedderford. 3,000 or 325,000 there. We've got any in mould, Not sure where some of these are, to be honest. Flintshire, oh yeah, mould. 280,000. 3 beds, 1 bathroom, 2 sitting rooms. That's detached with a garage. Look at that, folks. Here. Right out. Carry on. Got quite a lot of cones here. I wonder if they're doing some roadworks. Oh, there you go, there's a shop here for you. Back Alley Music. So if you're into your music or you're in a band, they sell different types of instruments, different types of musical equipment. We've even got, it says music tuition there. Not sure if they do the music tuition. That's Back Alley Music. Oh, musical instruments related there. Let's carry on. Plenty of estate agents around. This is the main area, the main street. There you go. This is the market. market day, this road is closed obviously. In the week it's open, but a Wednesday and a Saturday market's on, so they close off the road. There's quite a few stalls out today. Let's take a look. Now see what we've got. I'll just spin you around here. Let's go over the road here. After a walk around the market, we're going to have a little visit into Wetherspoons, which is the Gold Cape. It's called Gold Cape, which is just over the road there. Don't know whether you can see it. A little bit of history for you on the Gold Cape. The Mould Gold Cape is a ceremonial cape of solid sheet gold from Wales, dating from about 1900 to 1600 BC in the British Bronze Age. And that is where they found the Gold Cape. And inside the Gold Cape there's a replica of what the Gold Cape would look like. So we'll check that out a bit later on after we've had a walk around the market. The cape is 450mm in wide and was designed to fit someone of a very slight build, perhaps a teenager, although the sex of the person buried in the grave remains unclear. The associated finds are likely, by the comparison with similar contemporary graves, discovered to be those accompanying the burial of a woman. The cape shows signs of having been worn and appears to have a leather lining. The cape is considered to be one of the most spectacular examples of prehistoric sheet gold working yet discovered, and its particular interest is both from its design and unparalleled. The cape is oval in shape and will cover the shoulders and arms and upper chest. A little bit of history there, and that's the Gold Cape. We'll have a look at that afterwards. Right, let's go this way around and I'll look at the market. There we go, cushions. Set of 4, £25. Set of 2 for £15. They've got some fairy moo cows on them ones. Got some deers on them. Some pillows, bamboo pillows. £10 each. Some bamboo pillows. We've got some underwear, got thermal vests, socks, trousers, jumpers. The other one's one of the Spanish cleaning products. I know they're quite popular with quite a lot of people. Oh, look at that van. Daz's Extravagant Cakes and Bakes. That's a very old one, isn't it? Wow. Some looks like homemade cakes there. We'll go around the front in a minute. This one is selling cups. Look, there's Wrexham cups there. Wrexham fans out there. Flowers on. Here we've got some more cups. These are the ones. Any train buffs out there? Got some train cups. And some vehicles, tractors, cars. And we've got, what have we got here? Plant store. Primroses, £2 each or 3 for a £5. It's not bad, is it? All different colours. Ready for the spring and the summer. We've got a Gerrard's, here we go. Nobody's familiar with Gerrard's Bakery. We do pastries, cakes, pies, cups of tea, eating or take away. Got your usual the super drug. Let's see what we've got on the next one. Oh, we've got fresh eggs, fresh farm eggs. And this one sells a bit of everything here. Got some tools. One's just found a plug. Got your sweet stall up here.
I don't know. I don't know.
Your old-fashioned sweets. Let's have a look. £1.50 for a bag of sweets. Well, how much are your 20p mix? Got a sweets with 20p when I was a kid. Ooh, sugar-free sweets there. Your diabetics, sugar-free sweets, £1. Quite a big selection as well, look. Sugar-free sweets. Toffees, £1. Yeah, the big selection of sweets there, £1.50 folks. And this one here is easier. Look, it's got fresh olives and some feta cheeses. Quite like olives. Quite nice on feta cheese. Oh, these look nice. Look at these. Some Celtic things. Some little clocks. Handmade as well. Look, £10.
No, not the jewellery, the Celtic stuff.
Oh, I see. We've got on this side some bowls. These are nice, aren't they? Look at these bowls. Tuscany bowls, £3 each. Castle bowl, £3 each. And bigger ones are £4 each. Some big ones too, look. Nice, aren't they? Like the patterns on them. Nice patterns. Come in a nice box as well. Nice for a gift for someone. Oh, needing these today. Sunglasses, £2. I mean, the sun is bright, but not as bright as it was a couple of days ago. And then you've got these ones here, £5 for these sunglasses. And reading glasses as well. £1. So, aren't it? If you know what strength you need. £1. Oh, Flaffle & Co. So what have we got? Flaffle pitters, hummus, pitters, trays of chips. And they do chicken and beef as well there. That's nice. £6 for a Flaffle pitter. And you've got the breads, the cakes, got that. £3 each or 4 for a tenner on the cakes there.
£3, mate.
The old school cake there, look at that cherry bakewell style. Oh, that one's got almonds on it. Nice. And there's bigger cakes and fresh bread, £1. Some pies as well. Bakewell tarts. £6 each or 2 for a tenner. And then St David's Day special, because it's St David's Day. I forgot to mention it's St David's Day today, everyone. So over here we've got pancakes, £5. Sugar, lemon, Nutella, banana. Not sure about the £5 folks, I think it's a bit dear for a pancake. So you've got your fruit, your veg. Look at that. And your fresh fruit, your fresh vegetables. This is your clothing store. Jackets, £10. All your outdoor jackets there, big selection. £9.99, £10. Baguettes and other different makes. Jumpers. What else have we got? Chutneys and jams, homemade. Homemade chutneys, homemade jams. Let's try some of these. 4 jars for £10. There you go. Come down to the mole, get yourself some jams and some chutneys, all I made there. What else have we got? Socks. 2 pairs for £4 on them ones. These ones are 2 for 12. Socks. Other ones selling a bit of everything here. And Salisbury shoes, big bushes. Radiator bush. £3. That's good, isn't it? Usually I try and get the Henry Hoover's nozzle down there, but because it's quite big, it doesn't fit. Foldable walking sticks, 12 quid. Bootlaces, £2.50 folks. There's some nice bags. All the ladies out there, or even the men. Look at these bags. Nice, aren't they? Big bags, small bags, purses. £20 the bags are, £20. I think that's quite a good price. Not bad that, not bad, not bad.
Only £1 you actually release.
There we go folks, look at some clothes stores. What have we got? Jumpers, 15 quid. Think for that folks. Oh, there you go, that's a big long one there. 15 quid. There it is, a dress, coat, whatever you want. Got labelled. Sea salt. Jumpers. Marks and Spencer's. Jeans, big selection there, jeans, got clothes for the men as well, hoodies, jackets, jeans, denim jackets, 25 quid there, 15 quid on all these jeans. Not bad that, is it? Not bad. Got your plant store. Anything you like? Want anything? Get it? Oh, well, we can always come back, can't we? Mum's like some other plants, so we may come back and get some plants. So look what we've got, the plants here. These are all the prices for all the plants.
These blue ones.
So you can pause and have a look. Got bulbs as well around the corner there.
Where'd you get that from?
Off the internet.
I'll have a look after. I do a lot of photography myself.
DJI it's called.
DJI?
Yeah,
Okay.
Pocket 3.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, just someone just asked me about my camera. Wanted to know where it's from. There you go. Cards, how much are the cards? 50p to £1 on different cards. And look, they even go up to the age of 100. Good, isn't it? Some of them are packing up now because it is about 2:45, 3 o'clock. And they're open from first thing in the morning, so this one has got key rings and things for your hair, bracelets, homemade things, I think. And there's this cake, look at them, homemade cakes, $3.50. And just check out the van, folks. There you go, the old-fashioned van. Don't see many of those around here. Looking at good condition as well. Dazzy's Extravagant Cakes and Bakes. And there's Austin, it goes. Austin. Yeah, Austin. Shame Andrew's not here. He's gone to the football today to watch Wrexham play. Here you go, all these Spanish cleaning products. I know some of you people out there love them. It's on here in the market. Spanish cleaning products. Another clothes store here. Corduroy trousers from 32 inch to 44 inch. Dropping bottoms as well there. £18. Up to a 31 inch there. More clothes on this one here. Let's go back a bit. I missed one. It was a pet shop, pet store, pet beds, your pet treats. What have they got there? A couple of quid for some bones for your dog. Oh, look at these hanging baskets, £19. Look at all these. Hanging basket brackets, different ones. £10 to £15. Even do football ones. Let's have a look. LFC. Oh, and we've also got the carpet one here as well. So many stores, you miss some of them out. How much have we got on the carpets? So much. Got some runners, 26 inch wide, £3. Alright then, for your hallway. And you've got some carpet mats, £3.50 there. Some more, there's the bigger rugs, 55 I think. £55. Got some more of these hanging basket. And we've got a weather one as well for that. With the Welsh dragon on. We've got the usual shops here. There's a Specsavers, Card Factory, there's a Subway, there is a McDonald's as well on the first roundabout as you come into Mould, and a KFC who's the opposite side of the road. There we go, as you close. All men's shirts, £20. They've all famous makes shops. We've also got your copies of your shoes there, look. Also the name, you all know the name. Costa Coffee. And the boots as well. So I've got the boots here surrounding, because I know some of the boots around have disappeared, some of the little ones. And this building here is the old Woolworths building. If you know Mould, I've been to Mould, you remember Woolworths. It did change to a, was it a B&M for a bit? And it's now a pound structure. And it's quite big inside, it goes right round, down the back and then to the left. Because used to, when it was Woolworths, you used to be able to get in through the back door or the front door. Pound structure. I suppose it's a bit like B&M pound structure, isn't it? So this is a look at the market. It's on a Wednesday and it's on a Saturday here in Mould. We have filmed a bit of Mould before. We've been up there and we filmed a bit by the church, and also a bit further up we've got the mound. We've walked to the top, so you can see that on one of our other videos. And there's a few charity shops up that way as well. I'm going to have a look now at the indoor market. There's a look down that way. There's a nice Chinese down there, Chinese restaurant. And there's also a wine bar, tapas and wine bar there. I think they're doing vegan food down there, I'm not sure. I've seen my place that people are doing and have some vegan food. When you go to the indoor market, have a look. Miles across here because then go around. There you go, there's your old fashioned sweets again. £1.50 folks. Got a big selection. And that's quite good because they're all Inca tins with lids on. We used to go to Chester Market and used to get the sweets from there. I always used to call it the cough stall. The people used to go there, get their sweets, they'd be coughing and sneezing all over the sweet. But yeah, £1.50. 20 pence when I was a kid, 20p mix. And I vaguely remember the halfpennies, not for very long though, because they were only in for a year or two and then they went out and I was little. But I remember having some of them in my pocket to go and get some sweets. Halfpennies. So yeah, I think they were, when did the halfpennies go out? I think they were in for a little bit when I was little. So I think you gave me some once and get some sweets. Well, I can't remember. I think no, it was the early 80s, like 81 or 82 or something, wasn't it? Does anyone remember when the half pennies disappeared? I'm sure it was like early 80s because I'm sure I remember having some to get some sweets. There we go, waffles, fresh baked waffles, everyone. Waffle box it's called. That's quite nice, isn't it? What have we got? How much is a waffle? Traditional waffle with syrup, served as a stack, £9.50. With bacon, £10.75. Blueberries, banana, £10.75, or chicken, £10.95. That's your breakfast. Well, you can zoom in, have a look, see what you think of the prices. But it depends how big the portion sizes are, really, isn't it? I do like waffles. Very nice, sweet waffles. We've got Makoko, so it does your clog. How do you say it? What's that? How do you say it? Clog-eye. Clog-eye, that's it. There you go. And if you like your Clobo or your Thomas Sabo, you do all that kind of jewellery in there, little jewellery shop. And your Pandora shop. So you get all your Pandoras as well. It's all in the one shop. Do you like a bit of Pandora? This is not cheap, guys, is it? So I always give little hints to people. I never get it, but I used to try. Tattoo parlour there, I think. Is it? No, it's not a tattoo parlour. I lied. It's wallpaper. It's curtain furnishing experts. Oh, tattoo parlour. Oh, alarms are going off there, folks. Mould ale house, spoons and forks. Well, that looks like a place to eat, doesn't it? What have we got? Branch office, North Wales. Oh, let's carry on walking. So a quick nose over there. Sorry about the nose, folks, but there's an alarm going off. Over 18s only. Well behaved dogs allowed, but only over 18s. And this is what's on the menu. Try and zoom it in a little bit. There you go. Right, let's move ourselves from here now, because that noise is really bad. Somewhere there, the post office, the alarms are going off. Right, we've got some more market here. This is the Daniel Owen Square, named after the novelist. See what we got. Some more plants. Plenty of plants. Roses. What have we got over here? Drinks, burgers.
Did you use some bread rolls?
Ultimate burgers there. Plain burger £4, cheeseburger £5,
For the next 2 days.
bacon cheese for £5.50.
For the next 2 days. Yeah, I'll
Kids eat free.
They'll be fine.
Oh, there you go. Thanks to our Pay It Forward scheme, under 16s can have one free burger or a sausage dog. Accepting donations for Pay It. So the Daniel Owen Square, the Beer Lab, the House of Beauty, Icons and Flowers by Anne. And over here you have a statue of Daniel Owen. There we go. 1836, 1895. If anybody can understand what it says underneath. Lived in Wales all my life. I'm still learning the Welsh. So there you go, there's Daniel Owen. Let's have a look. Oh, on this side, there we go, it's got the English. There we are. Not for the wise and learned have I written, but for the common people. Daniel Owen. What's on this side? There you go. Let's have a look at Daniel Owen. Daniel Owen Square. It's very nice at the indoor market. Usually they have more stalls down here. I think it's packing up town there for some of them. Yeah. Last time I came there was someone selling jacket potatoes with various fillings. Got a stall over there selling cushions and dog beds things. There's a good shop here, like an ex-catalogue shop. Sells clothes and shoes and little knickknacks. Just up there, and you've got your peacocks. One of the line peacocks is here. This is the indoor market. Have a walk around. There you go, there's some hats for you. And peacocks, some caps. One was after a hat, so So she wasn't blinded by the sun. There were fresh fish on sale today in there. That's gonna look then. Yeah, this is the there's a dog. A look at what you'll find in there. Right, come on, in we go.
October or Christmas. We're going to get in the office all together then. You don't know yet. No, it's for advertising. But how are they advertising? Are they going to advertise on so Facebook, Indeed, Jobsite, that LinkedIn.
All right.
I've got him from the 80s.
I'm working in Warwick.
Oh, I've been off for like 4 or 5 hours.
Who's the rest?
Big win from last night, yeah. Not today, tonight. You won one though. Yeah. Win. Yeah, I'm joking. And he's alright.
There you go, folks, that was a look at the indoor market. What do you think of that, folks? A few stalls in there and places to eat. So there are some empty stalls in there, but there's quite a few in there, weren't there? Different things and that. I don't know what time it shuts. Does it say on the door what time it shuts? Let's have a look. Oh, I can't see on the door. I think it's been rubbed off. Yeah, that was a look at the market, that was. There's a few little shops down here. There's also Domino's Pizza on the corner. And there's more charity shops dotted around as well down there and around. Head back up this way. Which way do you want to go? Do you want to head back up this way or? We've got the circus. Come into Bolton. There you go, the circus. Interiors there. Boutique interiors. Phone shops. And this is your chain store outlook that I was on about. Discounted high street brands.
Is that one over the phone there, yeah?
Well, we've got CJ's Cooking. Here's a quick bunch of what they got. There you go. And the shopping bags. And little gifts. Like a little Wicker Man heart. Like a little hippie shop there. With all the crystals and dream catchers and the incense sticks. Oh, another Spud place. Happy Spud. Happy Spud. It's shut at the moment. We've also got another one here which has been here a long time. Little kiosk also sells burgers and hot dogs and that. 8:30 till 3, 6 days, Monday to Saturday. There you go. There we are, back at the market again. I think some of them are packed away now because it's quite late. Some are still open. So look a bit of the history here for you. So look what we got, here we go. Shops and services. You can see because so the beginning of the 20th century, few people travelled far from their homes and the town provided for all everyday needs. Mould was also a hub for the wider rural community who benefited from its hospital, secondary schools, banks and wide range of businesses. In 1928, the 5 main streets boasted 19 grocery shops, 10 butchers, 2 tripe shops, 13 sweet shops, 6 greengrocers, 17 clothes shops, 9 shoe shops, 4 fishmongers, 3 bakers, 3 furniture stores, 2 tobacconists and 2 wool shops. In addition, there were over 30 pubs and several breweries. Wow. Well, as you can see in the market there, it's 1910. So the market here has been going a very long time. 1910. The high street was also being the commercial hub for Mould. Regular markets have been held for hundreds of years, along with the occasional lager fairs. Numerous tightly packed shops line the busy streets, along with bank accounts and lawyers serving local industries and the busy market town. Some of the most imposing buildings on the high street were in the town. Houses of the local gentry, time hour, belonged to Sir George Wynne of Leeswood Hall and used to stand across the high street from here. Placid Dray, which still remains, belonged to the Nairquist Hall estate. It is the elegant 3-storey house to your left on this side of the road. So the 3-storey house to the left on this side of the road. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can see. So there's the church, which is at the top of the street, which is up there. There's your church up there. So it must have been across the road over there somewhere. Possibly. So there you go. Let's have a look on the other side of this. Any other information that we need to know about? No. Still information about what's on, which hasn't been changed. Anyway, you want to walk round? Or do you want to go to Getting to Eat? Yeah, want to go down to Weatherspoons? Take you down there now. Wetherspoons is known as the Golden Cape here. Got a bit of history behind it. I did give a brief history before, but I wasn't sure if it's recording or not, because the recording went off. So I'll recap you on the brief history in a minute of the Golden Cape when we get there. Pound bakery. Wow, look at that. It's even got a little sink at the back of that old van. That's cool, that, isn't it? Little sink to wash your hands in between serving cakes. We've got this building here. It used to be a pub many moons ago. It was also a new look. It's now a charity shop. And remember what the pub was called? It's up for sale, look, as well. Yeah, it used to be a pub. Right, here we go. There's quite a lot of information boards around. So here we've got a picture of what is now Lloyd's Bank. And it was also a nightclub. I remember it's a nightclub. This is the Assembly Hall, 1960s. And an important building. I've stood in this location for centuries. The present building dates from the 19th century, but it replaced the medieval courthouse where the manorial and assize courts were held. So there you go, some pictures. Many are fond memories of the dances and concerts that were held in the Assembly Hall. One of the most memorable nights was the 24th of January 1963 when the Beatles played to a packed house. When they were booked, the agreed fee was £50, far more than £10 that most bands were paid. Wow. By the time of their performance, they were rising stars and were getting up £700 fees. £50 for playing here in Mould. Wow. Right, here we go, we're off now to the Gold Cape. Hungry birds feeding on the crumbs, leftovers. So here's a look at what they're building here, where the Beatles played many moons ago. A clock on the top there, look. This was once a dance hall before it became a bank, where the Beatles played with a sum of £50. £50 the Beatles played in there for. Then they become famous and then they were getting £700. Quite a lot of money that in the 1960s, really, wasn't it? £50, £700. And here we go, folks. We're going to have something to eat now. We're been a look around the market. And we're going to have something to eat. We're going to Wetherspoons. The Gold Cape. You can see the hills up there. That way takes you to Mould, that way. Loggerheads. Nice walk up there. Loggerheads, woodlands, streams. So you can go up Mould, that way at the top. We usually get chips up by the church and take them up Mould, that way to eat. There are parking charges, I'm not sure how much there are there. But here we go. Just across the way here is the Gold Cape. So we're going to go in now, the Gold Cape, get something to eat. So the Gold Cape is a commemorative cape of solid sheet gold from Wales, dating from 1900 to 1600 BC. It's the British Bronze Age. This is where they found the Gold Cape, in here. So there you go. The Cape is considered to be one of the most spectacular examples of prehistoric sheet gold, working yet discovered. It is of particular interest as both its form and its design are unparalleled. The cape is oval in shape and would cover the shoulders, upper arms and upper chest of the person wearing it. It being higher at the back and lower at the front, as the cape extends so far down the upper body, it would have severely restricted arm movement by pinning them to the wearer's side so that only the lower arms were usable. For this reason, the cape would not have been suitable for everyday wear. The cape is 458mm, 18 inches wide. It was designed to fit someone of a very slight build, perhaps a teenager. And although the sex of the person buried in the grave remains of the gold cape to be those accompanying the burial of a woman, the cape shows signs of having been worn and appears to have a leather lining. So that is the cape. The value of the metal and the quality of the craftsmanship suggests the cape was produced by a wealthy culture, and scholars speculating that the makers and owners of the cape were associated with the mine of the Great Orme, North Wales, the largest copper mine in northwest Eastern Europe at the time. Right, so let's go in and have a look. There are a few more little shops down here. There's a Red Lion pub, which is good, have entertainment at the weekend. And this is the gold cape here, Wetherspoons. As we walk in, you will see the gold cape. You can find more history out about it online. Type in mould, the gold cape. Go and have a look. Right folks, that was the gold cape. So we're off now to get some food inside. I might film the food, not sure yet. But yeah, that was a bit like mould in the market. Hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.